present your skills poorly. Vigorous pain that you about to feel shortly. Cats I kill softly as blood spills off me. Get more bucks than Milwaukee, keep it real for me. I know the vision and the spot at the light. Took a swing at the garden, all you got was a strike. All your haters in the game, you can block if you like. But you couldn't see the cane with a binocular mic. Who want it?
Man, every time I see you catch a roll in this pack, for the life of me, I cannot see why you don't know how to act. Love the clan when you're deep, but when you on that solo creep, out on the streets, you don't hear a beat. Nigga, it's a goddamn shame. Somebody explain why they send a bad boy to play a grown man's game. Tear that ass out the frame, completely get that ass kicked. Woke up on the street, but you'll be sleeping in the casket. How long will it last? Nigga, don't ask. Just be first to blast. Outlaw on the mask, trying to be the first to see some cash. My shit's classic, like my nigga Nate. Go get the tape, we'll keep the Nates in anticipation until we quit. Money made me evil, cold cases got me stressed. Niggas aiming at my head, but I still wear my vest. I don't give a fuck, motherfuckers. I'm low, they all ducking when my gun smoke. You ain't shit without your homeboys. You probably run at the sound of funk. I give a fuck, you niggas is punks. Without your homeboys, you be the first to reach in your trunk. You scary niggas is punks. You ain't shit without your homeboys, nigga. Punk ass right, nigga. You ain't shit without your homeboys. Throw your hands up, you little trick.
Yo, rap game Black Caesar Marriott regular. That's where I take it to. Fuck you gon' make it up. Dark skin, smooth talking. Park bench, crew stalking. All starts in New York and my figures I spread apart. Check your game, cause nigga my repertoire just don't change. Pimps up, hoes down, rents up, close down. Sharp with the hustle when stuff goes down. I'm still pimpin', nothing but the ill women. I smash the bus up on their dress like Bill Clinton. You're checking out the gloss and I know it real temper. But I got the right force to make them all feel different. Y'all smoking mad Buddha, the act new to the fast shooter with the attitude of a Zab Judah. Now you wanna pass through the live and somebody please call 911, but it won't be for Wyclef, you heard?
Like Yak said, how the fuck you gonna shoot me rock? When you got the outlaw Pac shit in your box. You was looking real weak walking down the street. Now nigga 30 deep, all you wanna be. Talk cheap, shoot a nigga the fair one. Your homies like fucking, what's sick, you the only scared one. Damn son, close call I bet. Now down around the way you get no respect. They like that outlaw nigga played you out. We could've took it to the fist, I would've laid you out. Niggas be acting all different when they dogs come around. Watch them act like bitches when outlaws draw down. They all clowns. Better yet, they all sons. You the type to have a gun and never blaze the one. Get your banana split. You ain't the man you with. Outlaws you'll never forget. Machiavelli Dawn, get a call, y'all. Turning these streets into Vietnam. Where your homeboys,
Without your homeboys. My thug niggas, I love niggas from small time crooks to big time drug dealers. My homeboys, the only thing a nigga got left. I love my homies to death. We ain't shit without our homeboys. I ain't shit without my homeboys.
Player, I don't know who the fuck you tryna hang with, but we don't even speak the same kind of language. Watch yours decline cause you crossed the line. Stepping way out your league, must've lost your mind. You going home with the same girl to get in bed. I slide with instead, every night a different head. Get a hot, hit the spot like infrared. And get more brain than zombies and the living dead. Make sure profits will gross. I used to say that, grants my nigga, well believe we still close. For real, most of you lames just comics. That's what you call spitting? Then shit, I'm a vomit. Lyrical veteran, best to come if there's ever one. Never come equivalent measuring, I'm ahead of them. Listen, child, like it fits the cow, you better watch yourself like Mr. Cal, you heard?
Now I was born alone, so if I joint and I got high alone. Now I'm an outlaw, nigga, I'll never die alone. Me and my niggas are so close, it's complicated. One nigga smoking and drinking and yet we all faded. My nigga Edie had a son, we all happy, cause now that little rider got a deal with 8 daddies. My niggas cry, we all cry, and all ride to rectify the problem. Motherfuckers, they all die. Been trying to make a million, but hustling since my adolescence. From crack dealing to rap villain, my new profession. Who wanna see me in 8D? Fuck 3D. You coward ass motherfuckers will never see me. Bustin' with automatic straps, my raw raps like good crack. Niggas fiending, I got 'em coming back. Until I die, they label me as a rider forever. My niggas be together, ain't shit without my homeboys.